Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can track workout on Ultrahuman Ring. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is open up your app and then let's scroll down a little bit to the end where you will see timeline. All right. And right here, you can add an activity or you can add workout. So what this means, it will basically track you between you are doing some sports, so fitness, tennis, cycling, running, basketball or something. And after that, here, as you can see, you can press start and it will begin tracking you. And after it, you will see some results that happened. And this is how you can track your workout right over here. So find it in the timeline. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next